Hey, Sam, sit. Philo, Philo, why are you so mean to Sammy? She's just a baby. She's just a baby. Hey, no. No! Okay, we might have to turn this off because it's hard for me to grab her mouth while I'm trying to videotape her. Is that Mom's bag? Is that my bag? No, it's not for puppies. Sam, what are you doing? Come here, Sammy. Let's show everyone how good you are. Are you sitting pretty? Are you sitting pretty? Okay, come on. Come over here. Okay, Sam. No, not yet. You're anticipating. Sit. Sit. Good sit. Good sit. Down. 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 All the way. All the way. This leg too. This leg too. Good down. Good down. Good down. We're still trying to get down. That was a pretty good down. Oh.